Hello everyone, and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura, and today I will be making painted eggs soap. As you can see, I have several colors here that I'll be using. I'm just going to push these over to the side. This design is part of the Spring Fling collection, and it will be available on April 1st. So I'm just going to add the lye water to the oils. The oils I use are vegan and organic. I'm just going to speed this up here. I'm just trying to get this to emulsion. Alright, now I'm going to divide this up so that I have 5 different containers of soap. And the first one I'm going to put white in. This is going to be our base. And the little containers that I use to divide up the colors are biodegradable and reusable. Now I'm just mixing in the yellow. And the blue. And I got pink. And the purple. And here I'm just adding in the fragrance oil. This fragrance is called Smell the Rainbow, so of course it smells like a very popular candy. It smells really good actually. So I'm putting in the white first. This is going to be the base. And then I'm going to put the other colors on top. Just tapping out the air bubbles. I'm just going to blend in this fragrance oil by hand. The soap batter was already starting to thicken. I didn't want to risk blending it in with a stick blender and having it thicken up more. So here I'm pouring in the yellow. I'm also going to scrape this out off camera. Because of the angle, it was difficult to show that because the containers were getting in the way of the camera. So next up is this blue. Which I've scraped out off camera. And then here's the pink. And then the purple. I wanted some really nice spring colors, and this is what I came up with. So hopefully the color scheme works out. And I'm just scraping in the rest of the white on top. And we're just going to tap this out. I'm going to do a swirl with the stick. And then I'm going to clean up the edges of the soap mold here. I'm going to use a gold drizzle. I'm going to make some lines and then make a pretty pattern on top. I didn't want to do anything too complicated because of how busy the color scheme is going to be on the inside. And then just tap out the air bubbles, and here it is up close. So we're back about a day later, and here's the soap. We're just going to slice this into the bars. And here's the first one. I think it turned out really nice. I like how the colors didn't get muddied. They look really nice with the white background. And of course the shiny gold top. I was really happy with how this turned out because of course when you swirl them in the mold like that, you don't know how they're going to look when you pull them out, and I think this came out really nice. It's a really fun and bright and happy multicolored bar. And it smells really, really good. It has a very fruity and familiar fragrance. If you like these bars, they will be available on April 1st in my Etsy shop. And these are little in pieces. I cut these up and make samples out of them. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. I upload every Monday and Thursday, and sometimes on other days for bonus videos. And thank you for watching. You have a great day.